Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable desktop notifications for shared mailboxes in Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you manage multiple inboxes and need to stay on top of incoming messages across all of them without constantly checking each mailbox manually. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Give it a moment to fully load in all your emails and mailboxes. This initial step ensures that Outlook has synced with your server and all your shared mailboxes are accessible and ready to configure. Once your email has loaded completely, navigate to the File menu. You'll find this located on the top part of your screen where all your primary tools and menus are positioned. Go ahead and click on the File tab. This opens up a menu that gives you access to various account settings and configuration options that control how Outlook behaves on your system. After clicking File, the menu will expand to show you several options. Look at the very bottom part of this File menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Outlook Options. Click on Options to proceed. This action will open a new window called the Outlook Options window, which is essentially the control center for customizing your Outlook experience. From your Outlook Options window, you'll notice several tabs listed on the left side. Click on the Mail tab. This section contains all the settings related to how you compose, receive, and manage your emails. Once you're in the Mail tab, scroll down through the various settings until you find a section labeled Message Arrival. This is where Outlook controls how it alerts you when new emails come in. Within the Message Arrival section, you'll see a checkbox that says Display a Desktop Alert. This is the key setting you're looking for. Simply toggle this checkbox on by clicking it. What's important to note here is that this setting applies not only to your primary mailbox, but also to your shared mailboxes automatically. Once this option is enabled, Outlook will show you a small pop-up notification on your desktop whenever a new message arrives in any of your mailboxes, including shared ones. After you've enabled the checkbox, click on OK at the bottom of the Outlook Options window to apply and save your settings. Outlook will now process this change and start displaying desktop alerts for all incoming messages across your primary and shared mailboxes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled desktop notifications for shared mailboxes in Outlook, ensuring you never miss an important email no matter which inbox it lands in. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.